Here we go, guys. A Gaylord box full of extruded aluminum. A little bit down there in the truck. It's pretty full. Let me climb up there. I took a little bit out of this corner right here just so it don't blow off on the ride. But that thing is solid. A little bit down there, and like I said, big pile there in the back. I still got a little bit more here to take apart, but the bin's full, so I want to go and dump it. I got a few more pieces right over here, and I got some more extruded aluminum up there in the pile, but that'll go on the next bin. I want to get this one out of here. Well, guys, here I am today. I had a little bit of free time, a couple hours before another pickup. Starting to tear down all these fluorescent lights. I took from one part of that office clean out. There's still 2 pallets of them over there. And I got another pallet in the garage. But we're going to break down this pallet. Here's what they look like all apart. That'll all go light iron. Just throwing some ballasts here on the ground. I got a bin for them, but right now I'm just throwing them on the ground. And there's a nice hunk of wire coming out of them. Like I said, I had a couple hours to kill. I got to go pick up almost 1,000 feet of aluminum gutters. So we'll go pick that up and then come back. We'll work on this a little bit more. Let me keep going. I'll show you as we go. So here's a little pile of those ballasts. The sunlight there, the shadow. But here's one pile of the wire. All the switches, on-off switches. I already cut the cords off of those. Those are in a barrel. When I cleaned out the office, I threw all the cords. Actually, the cords are in that bucket right there, 55-gallon drum. So here's another bin. I don't know, it's like 2.5 feet by 20 inches or something, filled, all ballast and wire. Here's the pallet, all empty. Oh, I got more copper right there. Gotta cut all that stuff clean. Well, here's the lights. I started loading the truck, but I gotta take a few things off and reorganize it so I can fit it. Get this to the scrapyard today. Hey guys, I'm sure if you've been watching my videos for a while, you've seen this place before. I came here, cut all these oil tanks. They're all cut, scraped clean, ready to go. There's 8 of them here. Some pipe. Load it all up in the box truck. We'll send this out for number 1 steel. That's gonna go in the morning. Let me load it up, guys. Truck's empty, guys. There's all the oil tanks. Cut, clean, dropped on the ground. Plus we did 1,500 pounds of light iron. I didn't film that because you can see it's pouring out here. We're getting soaked. Now we got to go pick up about 65 chairs. I'll show you as we go. See that rain, guys? It's pouring out. I'm out there for 3 minutes. I'm saturated. Look at all the water pooling up. Not a fun day in the scrap world. There you go, guys. Truck's empty. Another nice big load. Filing cabinets, chairs, all kinds of stuff out there we just dumped. Truck's empty. let's go get another load. Alright guys, here's one of those pallets I had of these camera systems. These are all the vaults that hold the actual system. There's one stack, 25 of them, whole hunk of wire, some little tiny battery backups that came out of it. And then over here I got this other pallet. I'm starting to break these all down right now. I got some on the ground over there. And then down there in those boxes there's wiring, there's hard drives, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Let me get into it a little more, I'll keep showing you. Alright guys, all these black boxes are apart. These are the vaults for those stainless steel camera systems. There's one in the truck. There's that whole pallet of fluorescent lights all taken apart. I'm going to throw this pallet on the truck. Then we're going to go work on that pallet up there of all the wires. Let me load this up. I'll show you as we go. Alright guys, the truck's loaded for tomorrow. It's only a little baby load, but I cleaned up quite a bit here today. A little bit of ductwork on the top, a couple snow throwers. Here's all that track that had all the copper wire in it. The lights are down in there. There's 100 monitor stands on here. Those are going. A vacuum, just light iron, just a junky little load. Then I gotta run these gutters down, get them out of my way. I got all these circuit boards here. This is real nice, super nice stuff. It's real old too. You can see the gold on it. Nice gold pins, a lot of IC chips. There's a box right there. Been getting quite a bit done today. Cleaning up before the winter. Dropped my gloves. So, there's another pallet, half full, copper aluminum radiators. Starting to gaylord another gaylord of #1 copper pipe. I gotta get through this mess of copper right there still. Gotta cut all these copper coils. This is a stainless steel commercial refrigerator, a little baby one. There's a tub full of ballasts. There's another bucket we're starting of #2. Couple more coils down there. Compressors. Those motors are still there. I added a few, but I haven't really touched it. Here's the gaylord, full of cast aluminum. It's almost to the top. We got about another 10 inches to go. Here's another gaylord. This is full of clean stainless steel. Here's another gaylord getting filled up with boards. I got quite a few of them laying around. Full gaylords, all boards in there. I gotta sort through them. Alright, I did a little bit of work in the garage here. I neatened up this little area here. All these boxes right here, all hard drives. Couple boxes here of keyboards. 3 boxes. There's another box here. 4 boxes full of keyboards. And I got all these monitors. There's 100 of them right here. We've got to process those one day. Here's all those stainless steel digital camera device things. One day we'll work on those. But the good thing that I got today, when I took apart all those tracks that had the copper wire in it, I got two barrels full of copper. It's all number 12 THHN. Plus, on the end of every one, there's all this number 2 copper. They're like little bus bars. I'll cut them all off right here. They'll take that as number 2 copper. And then the THHN, this wire is going to go in the granulator. I could throw this plastic right in the granulator too, but what happens is all this tinned copper gets mixed in, and then all your number 1 copper or bare bright becomes number 2. So I cut everything off. See, here's the ends right here. A little better look at them. So a little bit of work, but I'll cut all these free. You know, come right here and just cut that whole hunk of wire. Throw the whole thing right in the granulator. Well, I got 2 nice barrels filled with that. They're heavy too. So we'll be able to cut that, and I'll show you that going through the granulator one of these days. Here's some stuff that I granulated not too long ago. It's not separated yet. See if I get the camera to focus. So this is going to go, once this is all separated, I separate it on a water table. This will be number 1. Let me put a little bit up here. Maybe you'll get a better view right there. There it is. Nice number 1 copper. Once all this insulation is taken out, we'll separate that on a water table. But I'll get the granulator fired up one of these days. I'll show you guys what that's like. The thing is amazing what it could grind up. All that, like I said, all that wire will go in there like nothing. I'll do both of these barrels. Probably in about under an hour it'll grind all that up. Granulate it all down. And in a couple hours it'll all be separated. And we'll be able to sell it then. But I got my work cut out still. A lot of stuff going on here. I keep doing pickups. Tomorrow I'm going back to the garage door guy. I should be able to film that. It's a pretty big load. I looked at it today, but I didn't have the room to take it on the pickup. And the box truck is full at the moment, so I couldn't take it today. But tomorrow's another day. I'm going to empty out the pickup, like I said, and we'll go over there and pick up the garage doors. Keep him happy. And we'll go from there. See what else comes up tomorrow. If nothing, I'll keep working out here in the yard. I might go down to the warehouse for a little while. Move a few things around down there. But we'll see what the day brings. I'm not sure exactly what the plan is going to be yet. But when I know it, I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I got a ton more videos coming. Show you some of this equipment running. Thanks for watching.